Thank you, Nusrat. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the world of Smart GIS. Myself, Shahriar from Bangladesh. I'm the founder of Shahriar GIS School. We teach GIS globally through online. Till now, we have 10,000 plus learners from 169 countries. Today, I'm feeling honored to give a speech in this webinar on SuperMap GIS technologies, envisioning urban planning, co-arranged by SuperMap and Shahriar GIS School. Thanks a lot, SuperMap team, for being with Shahriar GIS School and organize this wonderful and informative webinar for urban planners of Bangladesh. Because, in other hand, I am also an urban planner from Khulna University. I know how much important is GIS for urban planners. Many of you can say GIS is a tool that is being used in urban planning. But from my sense, yes, GIS is a tool. It is being used in urban planning, but not only in urban planning. It is being used in many sectors. It is being used in computer science, architecture, civil engineering, forestry, biology, banking sector, even marketing sectors for KPI analysis, key performance indicator. So GIS is in everywhere actually. We are already better in GIS in Bangladesh, but we should be best because GIS can open the door for us in job sector in many types of sector. So this is most important for us. In Shahriar JS School, we already have many learners from architecture, urban planner, even also we have psychologist who is learning GIS for his location-based analysis, criminal psychology, whatever. So GIS is in everywhere. As example, in your daily life, you are using Uber, which is also a kind of web GIS. So we need to build up ourselves in GIS to open the door in job market in another sectors. And after complete this webinar, if you want to learn SuperMap, you can contact with Shahriar GIS School because we have published world first online SuperMap course. Still now, this is one and only SuperMap course around the world. So I hope all of you are going to enjoy GIS in the field of urban planning.